Hello and welcome to Get Planting, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make a lovely table centrepiece for Christmas time to go in the middle of your table. What you'll need is a nice vessel, so this is a lovely sort of Constant Spry inspired vase, and what I've got is some nice chicken wire that is very flexible and bendy, but it can be reused so it's sustainable, and that'll hold the foliage and the berries in this vessel. So you just want that to go into the bottom of the vase. And then what I've done is gone foraging around the garden, into the woods or whatever you can find to get some nice evergreens at this time of year. I've got this beautiful blue pine. So what you're going to need is a sharp pair of secateurs, and then start adding that into the arrangement. Now you want to take any of the lower leaves off, and that will stop things sort of rotting in the water or anything. So we'll just remove some of them and then just start to add these bits of pine in. So just stripping the leaves, and you want lots of nice colours and textures for contrast within this display, but really you can use anything. So just pop a bit more in here. And this is a lovely activity to do with family, friends, or even children. And we all will come up with a different sort of design for this. Then I might add some Pires. So this is Pires japonica. It's a lovely evergreen shrub. Has nice sort of pink new leaves that form in the spring. At this time of year, it's just a nice evergreen green colour. So just snipping them off, and again, lower leaves, removing them so they don't rot in the water. And you just want to nestle that through the chicken wire. And because this is an arrangement that's going to be viewed all the way around the table, you want to make sure that you can't see any of the chicken wire or any gaps. So you just want to use as much foliage and berries to make it look full until you're happy with it. Then we'll just probably nestle another one down at the front. So that's given you a nice sort of base with lots of different colours and textures now. And you can always add and refine as we go. And then we've got these amazing red berries from this contoniaster tree that we have in the garden. And they're lovely and vibrant and very festive at this time of year. So we're just going to place them into the arrangement for a bit of height and structure. And again, remove any that might be at the base. And you want to kind of do things in 3s, 4s, 5s, intermingling them. You wouldn't just put one stem in. So we'll just, and you might want them to sort of drift out over the arrangement. And just make sure it's even sort of on both sides. And I always think you can't go wrong with berries, so as many as possible because they're lovely. Okay. Sometimes it's quite a good idea to step back and look at your arrangement, see what might be missing. And then the last sort of bit for height we're going to add is the nice pussy willow. So it's got lovely fluffy buds, soft to touch, but we'll also add that bit of height and sparkle at this time of year. So they've got lovely sort of silver grey buds. And again, just cut at an angle. Any of the buds at the bottom that might rot in the water, just gently rub them off. And we'll place these in. And again, you might want a few just to give that different texture and colours. You wouldn't just obviously put one stem in. Place that in. And I think just a wee bit more foliage at the side here. And there you go. That's a beautiful table arrangement that you can enjoy this Christmas in the middle of your table with all your family there. And it is so easy to use. It's so easy to collect these botanicals in your own garden as well, and then just enjoy that lovely display. And you might have grown all of these in your own garden. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to get more content from my videos and have enjoyed them, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.